Good morning. Welcome to the channel, Retired Don't Give Up. The weather forecast says no rain till later this afternoon. And in the rainy season, any chance that you know that you can go for 4 hours without getting wet, chances are we'll still get wet before the day's out, but hopefully it'll be on the way back. You get out and you go for a ride. Now we're going to stop and visit a friend that's up towards Nan, and we're going to go through mountain roads all the way into Pear. If you're in a hurry, you get it all done in an hour and a half. But we're not in a hurry. We're just going to go enjoy the roads that Thailand has to offer. So why don't you come join us?
Give me any beer.
Respect. I guess we made a wrong turn at Albuquerque. No big deal. Absolutely amazing roads, as you can see. Very twisty, and that's what it's like when you're going up a mountain like this. the views. You see the drone, absolutely spectacular. So someone's built this house right here. I don't think it's finished. There's still things that have to be done. But of course, nice patio here. My God, what a view. What a view to have. You can wake up in the morning and see a view like this. It reminds me of Whisper Monk, where we stayed last year. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful scenery. Well, we're going to get back on the bike, and well, this time I'm going to use the GPS. It says I got to go back a little bit. It's not too far, but we'll make it to our friend's place. It's not raining. That's the important thing, and we're out enjoying the roads of Thailand. So let's continue. It's always amazing, these roads. I mean, you do have to be careful every once in a while. You get areas where the road has got mud on it for someone coming off the side road and so forth. But for the most part, the roads are fantastic. Very twisty curves, up mountains, down mountains. Beautiful meadows on one side. Where I was filming, we were actually, because we went on the wrong road, we were on the 12-16 when we were supposed to be on the 12-17. We just made a wrong turn. We made it to our friend's place, and now we're heading into Pear, and we're coming up to a T. We just come across a corner, or just come around a corner. We had a valley on one side, and of course, and now we have a valley on this side. Yeah, that's pretty spectacular. I think we're going to go around this turn, and we're going to hit a T, and we have to make a right-hand turn, and that may be the road we take, maybe not. We will see. Yeah, there's some rain in the distance, which means, as I said earlier today when we started, we'll probably end up getting wet, but that's the risk we run in the rainy season of Thailand. We can live with it. All right, we're going to carry on. This was originally a campsite. Only recently has the owner expanded to add 6 new cabins and a future restaurant to give it the full resort feel. So this is a brand new resort. It's not ready yet. It's not open yet. They are here. They're building a restaurant. So, like as you see from the drone, there's several cabins. The owner is going to show us inside one of the cabins, but as you can see, the view is spectacular. As I was driving along, I saw it to the right, and I hadn't really filmed anything, so I decided, you know what, I think we're going to go back and take another look. As you can see, they've done the cement work, they've planted grass.
หัวแกต้องชนแน่เลยมันเป็นมินิมอลกินเขาไม่ต้องมีค่ะมันจะมาถึงจะปูให้เลยกัน Be careful, I hate.
So, yeah, I guess the first thought is if you're 6'3", you might be okay. If you're 6'5", you're not going to be. So, typical bathroom, shower. I guess the shower is. Yep, shower behind the door. Small little cabin. They haven't put the beds in yet, but again. I'll ask if they're going to put air conditioning. It looks like they probably will. They've got a breaker there. And of course, you can step out here onto your own private balcony. How about that? Let's wake up to that in the morning. Absolutely gorgeous for sure. When will they be open? Open now, but but soon. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So 1,000
now 1,000.
1,000 a night, and in high season, 1,500. We have air conditioning.
Air conditioner มีแอร์อย่างนี้ก็ได้ No ระบบโซลาร์เซลล์
fan.
Solar cell
Fan. No air conditioning, but mind you, during October, November, December, it's more than cool enough. It's the same as when we were in Whisper Nook. They don't have air conditioning, but they have fans. Yeah, absolutely. So right now they don't have the hydro set up. They're using solar. Again, give them time. Everything will be up and running. Extra bathrooms. So we're at a little restaurant at the corner of 101 and 103, Rong Kwong intersection. Yeah, we've gone all day. In fact, we left at 11 this morning. Didn't really have much to eat this morning, so we're pretty hungry. The great thing is there's always a little restaurant along the side of the road. They don't look like much. That usually means the food's pretty good. Of course, Thailand food's always good. I'm having soup. With soup, noodles, and chicken. Jai's having kapow. I already had a little bit of hers, and she added more spice, but I didn't think it needed it. But anyway, all right. We still got one more stop to do afterwards. So far, there's been very little. Couple of times it spit on us, but no rain to be concerned about, and we're having a great day. And we're home. Wonderful day. It's just before 6 o'clock in the evening. So we left around 11. I mean, a couple of times it rained, small a bit, but really not much. Amazing roads, amazing ride. Yeah, we got lost and ended up seeing more scenery. Stopped at a few places. It was a day. I'm glad you enjoyed coming with us. Until next time,
but
remember,
don't get up.
Don't give up.